Ever wondered how to infuse your dishes with a hint of floral elegance? Have you considered culinary lavender? This special herb, with its unique taste and aroma, can elevate your cooking. But remember, not all lavenders are edible. Only culinary lavender fits the bill. Culinary lavender offers a unique twist to your dishes, but how do you grow and use it? Growing culinary lavender is quite a straightforward process. It all begins with the right seed selection. Always ensure you're starting with culinary lavender seeds or plants, as these are the best for cooking. Once you've got your seeds, it's time to plant them. Choose a spot that gets ample sunlight and has well-drained soil. Lavender thrives best in these conditions. Care for your lavender is simple. Just water them sparingly, as they prefer a drier environment. Sunlight is key, so ensure they get plenty of it. When it comes to harvesting, wait until the buds are just about to open. This is when they're most aromatic. With a little patience and care, you'll have your own culinary lavender ready to harvest in no time. Now that you've grown your culinary lavender, it's time to use it in your kitchen. First, you'll want to dry your lavender. This can be done by hanging bunches of lavender upside down in a warm, dry place. Once dry, store your lavender in a tightly sealed jar to preserve its flavor. Now let's talk about some delightful dishes and drinks where culinary lavender shines. Lavender lemonade is a refreshing drink that's perfect for a sunny day. Simply steep the lavender in hot water, add lemon juice and sweetener, then chill. For a sweet treat, why not try lavender cookies? Incorporate dried lavender into your cookie dough for a unique aromatic twist. Experiment and find your favorite way to use culinary lavender in your kitchen. Culinary lavender is a versatile herb that can bring a unique flavor to your dishes. Let's recap. Plant, nurture, harvest, and experiment. Don't be shy to sprinkle lavender magic in your cuisine. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening and culinary tips. Happy gardening and cooking!